Welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic is today, do this to make $10,000 a month as a student. Not. You need to understand that making $10,000 a month as a student is extremely ridiculous and outrageous. It ain't gonna happen anytime soon. I'm not saying it never happens, but it's very misleading to tell you this. What I am telling you is keep your part-time job or the full-time job you take when you're on your breaks. Don't quit them. And make a side hustle to make extra money on the side. 1, everybody says crypto is a moneymaker. It can be if you have the time to study and dedicate yourself to it. If you don't, you could actually lose a lot of money. But if you have the time, maybe spend $200, $400, $1,000 a month to make some extra money. It's a great way. Start an online business. This is a great way to make some side income. But remember, this is going to take at least 6 months to get going to make some extra cash flow. So you got to work your 9 to 5, once again, while you're doing this. 3, don't start a side hustle that you have to invest a lot of money in and you have to leave it there for a very long time. This ain't going to work. You need this money now. So invest in a business that pays you your cash flow right now. 4, you can start an e-commerce company. But remember, once again, this is going to take time. So be prepared, up to 2 years maybe. So don't depend on this cash flow right away. 5, you can offer business services such as tutoring or cutting someone's lawn. This is great because you're going to make cash flow immediately. 6, you can do marketing and social media and hire people from other countries that their currency is worth less than yours. So you're paying them less and you're making extra money. This is a great way to make some cash flow without even working. 7, believe it or not, if you don't have a job, get one now. You have to start making money to make more money. So it's imperative that you get that part-time job or that job while you're off school. 8, you could start a dropship company and make money for not even spending $1. This is a great idea. But remember, this is going to take some time, but you need to find a niche market. That way you could be more successful because there is a lot of people doing it. 9, if you have the luxury of owning your own car, you can drive people around. You could use Uber to help you with this, or you can deliver food for restaurants, or there's a lot of online companies that will help you with free food services. 10, with all these great ideas, you got to remember it takes time. Yes, you can get lucky and it could happen in a month, in a week. We get all these great stories and all this influencer talk. But most of the time it doesn't happen. And then you get even more depressed because it doesn't work, these great ideas of $10,000 a month, and you feel even worse than when you started watching the video the next day. So keep in mind, be realistic and be consistent in whatever you do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and like us on Facebook at Carvelli, Master of Finance. Check out my ebooks, my course, my merchandise at masteroffinance.com. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. God bless, and I hope to see you soon.